Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will show you the top 7 Facebook ads that works well for jewelry business online. So the first type of ad that we should be running is the carousel ad. So basically in a carousel ad we can have 2 or 3 or more images for one ad content. That way we will be able to see which one of those images are working better for us. For example, for each one of those images we can have specific call to action, we can have specific ad content for that image. Based on that image we should be able to see what type of content or what type of call to actions that the visitor are clicking on the button, and based on the KPI stats like what are all the conversions we get, what are all the important KPI stats in terms of the CTR, the average CPC that we are getting, then the optimizations needs to be done on the basis of these KPI stats, so that we can stop the non-performing ad and we can just set up a new variation of the best performing one. The second type of ad that we can use is basically the video demonstration ad. So now the video demonstration means you can just do a video ad, you can just create a video for your jewelry. So for example, you are selling bracelets or you are selling the necklaces online, then you can just create some videos for your necklaces. For example, we can have 2 or 3 videos for our necklaces product that we are selling, so we can test them out and then see, like, basically which video works well. The major visually appealing, because the visitor, they will be able to see a 3D image as well. We can say they will be able to see the product from various angles, and they should be able to coordinate more closely with the product, whether they like it or not. If they like it, then they can buy that as well. Second thing is that for these videos we can have video ad campaign for the necklaces. That way the visitor, they will be going to the necklace product category page rather than going to the home page, which means they are one step closer to giving us a sale. The third type of ad that we can use is basically the user based content, meaning we can just ask our users who have purchased the product online from our store, we can just request them to give us some kind of testimonial wherein they will just flaunt the product that they have purchased from us. That way these type of videos really work great in building trust in visitors' mind regarding our brand. There are some influencer marketing that can also do these type of things, so we can use these type of videos to bring in the visitor so that they can have positive image of our brand name in their mind, and then when they go to our product they will see that this is a trusted store, and hence they will be able to buy the product and they are one step closer to giving us a sale. The fourth type of ad that we can use is basically the storytelling ad. So in the storytelling ad we need to create a video wherein we have to tell the visitor the story of our product, meaning we can show it to them on how the product being made. That way the visitor, they will be able to see the product from scratch, and then they will be able to see a step-by-step thing wherein they are seeing how the products are being made. That's how the visitor, they will be able to connect very closely with the product, and hence they will be able to see what kind of work is being going at the back end and how they have find out the finished product over there. That way when we tell them the story, they will feel like there are some real things that we are showing, and hence they will feel in more coordinate with the product, and hence they should be able to feel tempted to go back to the website and then give us a sale. The fifth type of ad is basically for the limited time offer ads. So now this is one of the most important thing that we should be using while we doing the campaign setup or while we try to run the ads on Facebook. So for example, so as we are going into the holiday season, so everybody must be expecting some kind of discount on the products. So for example, we can run various sales throughout the year. So for example, we can try to run the Christmas sale offer, where we can give them like get extra 5% off or get extra 10% off store wide. That way they will feel like they are saving something, and then they can go back to the website and give us a sale. The major thing that we can do, or basically the most used campaign for these kind of things, is basically the remarketing campaign, meaning we can actually remarket the ads to those visitors who have visited the website but they have left the website from the add to cart page, and we can give them like get extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. So now this we can correlate with these kind of ads, wherein those visitors who have visited the website in the past and they may not have purchased the product. The primary reason was mostly the pricing. So whenever they will say, they will see like they are saving something, for example 5 to 10% off, then they will feel like they can go back to the website and give us a sale. That's the strategy works well for these kind of ads. So now the sixth type of ad, or basically the setting that we should be doing, is basically the target audience segmentation. So now this is one of the most powerful things or powerful settings that we can use while we set up the Facebook ads. So for example, we can try to show the ads to those visitors who have shown interest in specific category. It can be like the necklaces or the jewelry online. So now when you do this kind of segmentation, you will very clearly see that the ads will be catered to the correct audience because they have shown interest in the similar product. So now this is one of the most important settings that we need to use while we set up the Facebook campaign, especially the Facebook product catalog ads. So in our next part, we will show you what Facebook product catalog ads are. So now the next type of ad that we can run are basically the Facebook product catalog ads. So now this is one of the most important type of ad that we should be running, or basically everybody should be running over here. Basically with the Facebook product catalog ads, those are also called as the shopping ads. We will be showing the ads for each product by using the feed in the Facebook product catalog, and there so the visitor, they will be able to see the product pricing, they will be able to see the product image, and also they will be able to see the product headline. Also there will be a shop now button, wherein the visitor, they can just click on that shop now button and then they will go to the specific product page. The major benefit of using this kind of ad is basically the visitor, they will be able to see the product pricing at first, meaning they can actually make up their mind whether they can buy that product or not. That is the most important factor. The second factor that the visitor will have is basically they will be able to see the product image. So when they are able to see the product image, they will know in their mind whether they liked that product or not. So if you have any Facebook ads running for your jewelry business online and you are just not getting the results that you are looking for, you can contact us for a free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you do not have any Facebook ads running, then don't worry about it. We can help you in setting up the Facebook ads and managing them for you. You can just contact us with your website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do some kind of research and then we can give you a plan of action on what exactly that you should be doing to bring some more sales for your jewelry business and to take your business to the next level. You can see our WhatsApp number. There will be a phone number on top right corner. You can contact us through WhatsApp, Also, you can contact us through our website by just filling in a form. We should be able to get back to you as soon as possible with the plan of action. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.